So right now the coronavirus has the whole country, even the whole world on lockdown right now. So here's what the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel is going to do to provide some quality entertainment for you guys. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm bringing a series of videos back, what I'm going to call From the Vault. I've recorded videos from, well, ever since I started the channel. I've had videos that haven't made the cut per se, where I thought another video was more interesting, so I worked on that one first. So I have a whole bunch of videos dating 2-3 years back that I'm going to work on and upload from the 63 build. So there's that. There'll be stuff from the 60 Corvette, maybe one from the Grand Sport, the Biscayne. And I don't have any, this will be new content. And I have another project that I bought pieces of, so that'll be coming in the future. But my goal is to have a lot of content on the 63 coming out that I recorded a year, probably 2 or 3 years ago at this point. So I want to start getting a lot of those videos out to you guys, and to try to make some more content to flood the market with, so people have something to watch. So if you've seen all my videos and you're waiting for more stuff, well, here's your opportunity. I'm going to try to come out with a video at least once a week. That's the goal. So be sure to check that out. I'm also working on a YouTube playlist and Spotify playlist of just happy songs in the Mid-Year Mitch spirit, happy-go-lucky songs. A lot of them are 60s, 70s, maybe even some 50s vintages. Just some good music to hopefully brighten up your mood. So even if you're not a car guy, you can check those out. You'll enjoy them, and I'll probably even make a car guy playlist too, just because I'm a car guy. So you probably have been wondering what I've been doing in the garage since all this coronavirus stuff is going on. Well, I'll show you. Floor shifter's in on the Biscayne. Wiring's pretty much wrapped up. I have the gauge cluster out to repaint it. Back seats in, carpet's in, those door panels are in. Need to dye these. And the seat, which I'll show you in a minute, is in the basement, and it's coming along real well. I made this seat cover for the front bench. This is the bottom. This piece has over 20 pieces of individual vinyl or cloth. Listings, all kind of crap. It was very complicated to make. It took a few days to make, but it turned out really nice. So I have a video coming up on this. Redid the seat springs and the seat back. Obviously this one has burlap. Started working on some foam for it. And there'll be, like I said, a video coming out with this, but I cut out all the vinyl for the driver's side. The mirror image, the passenger side is over here. And here's the scraps that always mess up my allergies, because there's probably some kind of mildewy mold goodness on there, so we'll stay away from that. Luckily you can't catch any of that. So that's what I've been working on down here. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see all the new videos I have coming out on all these cars. There's going to be a lot of great content coming up. And be sure to check that out. I got a lot of work to do. I got a lot of editing to do. And I got to get this car up for sale. So if you're interested, leave a comment down there. I read those, so leave one down there. I'll catch you guys later.